Got an old couch taking up space in your Delta living room? Or maybe a washing machine that finally kicked the bucket and is now just a very heavy paperweight in your garage? Don't just lug it to the curb and hope for the best. If you live in the city of Delta, you have access to a fantastic service that will come right to your door to haul those bulky eyesores away. But if you don't follow the rules of the road, you'll be left with a very grumpy note and a sofa still sitting on your lawn. Today on Local Fellas, we're breaking down exactly how to use the Delta Large Item Pickup Program. First things first. Who can use this? This program is specifically for Delta residents who already receive single-family curbside garbage collection services. If that's you, you are eligible to dispose of up to 4 large household items every single year. You can use all 4 spots at once during one big spring cleaning, or schedule multiple pickups throughout the year until you hit your limit of 4. Just remember, your item count resets on January 1st, and no, you can't carry over your unused items to next year, so use them or lose them. To get started, you must schedule an appointment. Items left on the curb without an appointment will be ignored. You can schedule your pickup through Remple Disposal by calling 604-835-1792, emailing largeitempickup@rempledisposal.com. When you email, make sure to include your home address and a full list of the items you want gone. Pro tip: Remple actually requests that you include photos and detailed descriptions of your items in the email to make things go smoothly. Once you're booked, they'll give you a specific date. Make sure your items are curbside by 7 a.m. on that day, but don't put them out any earlier. Now let's talk about the gotchas, because the city of Delta is very strict about how items are presented. If you miss these details, they won't take your stuff. Every item must be able to be handled by just 2 people. If it's so heavy or awkward that 2 crew members can't lift it, it stays on your curb. This is the big one. Mattresses and box springs must be dry, wrapped in plastic, and securely sealed. If it's raining and your mattress gets soaked, it becomes too heavy to lift and they will leave it behind. You can buy mattress bags at home improvement stores or reuse the plastic from a new mattress. Just like mattresses, upholstered furniture like your old sofa or armchair must be kept dry. You cannot bundle small items together to count as one large item. A bag of old toys or a box of random junk is not a large item. It needs to be a single, bulky piece like a desk, a dishwasher, or a dresser. Don't break or cut your furniture into smaller pieces. They want it in one piece. They will not take electronics, TVs, computers, exercise machines, small appliances, microwaves, countertop appliances, construction materials, drywall, flooring, toilets, or anything glass, mirrors, glass tables. Because they use a rotating schedule, collecting similar categories of items during the same week, you might have to wait a bit for your specific slot. If you email Remple, keep a close eye on your spam folder so you don't miss your confirmation or scheduled date, and make sure to set an exception for the rempledisposal.com domain. Getting rid of the big stuff doesn't have to be a headache as long as you follow the guidelines. Be sure to check the City of Delta website for the full list of accepted items, or just click the link in our description. The link is right there. Also, a quick heads up. Delta still offers the free mattress recycling voucher program as well. Eligible properties can get 1 voucher per year, so visit the city's recycling page to learn more. If your stuff is still in good shape, consider calling the BC Recycling Hotline at 604-7329253 to donate it instead. This information is accurate as of April 5, 2026. Always check the city website for details or updated info. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Local Fellas for more hyperlocal Delta tips. See you in the next one.